You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce these French phrase meaning political sciences? So that's short for the studies of political sciences in France. Science is how you say sciences. Note that the S is silent. Science. Po, a short O sound. I mean, in English you could say it as Sciences Po, Sciences Po. Or in French again, let's listen carefully. Sciences Po, Sciences Po. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.